Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we analyze the overall social sentiment and then also a crypto of the day, CASPA. None of the content is financial advice. Right now, these are the popular sentiment on related to the crypto asset class. They are all available on my own website, cryptoweeklies.com. Link on the bottom of your screen. These are the narrative cloud sourced from social media platforms such as YouTube and X. What kind of narratives are popular based on the term frequencies of these narratives popping on these social media platforms over the last 7 days. So as you check the narratives that are garnering significant attention, the size of the bullish narrative has now overshot the size of the bearish narrative. So socially speaking, people are feeling more bullish than bearish, although the size of altcoins as a narrative has gone down. And again, a newer narrative which is not technically related to crypto, such as silver reaching all-time high, gold reaching a new high. So these kind of narratives are cherished more in the market than crypto related moves. You can check crypto related moves on the heat map over here. This is the performance parameter over the last 24 hours. Largely all cryptos are down. Over the last 7 day, Caspa has rallied the third best, 7% up, again only behind Uniswap and Maker, which are up 15% and 11% respectively. Over the last 30 days, again market was largely bearish. Couple of names up, XMR, Bitcoin Cash. We did make a video related to Bitcoin Cash on the YouTube channel. You can check all of these videos over here. The link to the channel is again established on the website. This is the YouTube channel homepage. You can go over there from here and then check out the videos made on this channel over the course of its entirety since the last 3 years. So let's get started with first. Again, this site is not loading. Let's get started with first CASPA. How CASPA machine learning based price forecast could be derived using the in-house machine learning model. This is again CASPA price forecast using the weekly price action of CASPA at a weekly average since its existence in 2022. You can check this same chart over here. Again, instead of the candle body, what we have is a weekly average of CASPA. Before we go and check the machine learning based price forecast, what we will do is briefly analyze this pattern over here, where the price action is essentially bouncing from this range low, this green range low, to the green range high, since the major peak for CASPA occurred in July 2024. Now the rally, the recent rally from the lows of about 2.3 cents, again 2x to 4.5 cents, again still is below the area of support at around 5.8 cents. Again, the price could meet this area of support, and also not just that, but the 20-week simple moving average, which is again a declining function right now at around 6.3 cents, could well be at around 5 cents in the next weeks to months. The 21-week exponential moving average is at around 6.1 cents. The 50-week simple moving average is at around 8 cents, roughly speaking. So that's the max ceiling these rallies. This blue line over here gotten resolved at around 50-week simple moving average. So that needs to be seen. If there is further upside, that 8 cents level could be the ceiling for CASPA. The machine learning model suggests that if there is a continued bullish momentum between now and end of Jan 2026, the 7.5 to 8 cents level could be achieved in that bullish environment by CASPA. If there is a bear case, then again between 3 cents and about current price of about 4.5 cents, that's where the first initial major drop in 2026 could be for this machine learning model using seasonal anima and again machine learning techniques such as LSTM and standard deviation based forecasts. So coming to the regression based analysis, the price is still above the regression based fair value. This is again an estimation of what the fair value of an asset is using polynomial regression function with 2 degrees of freedom, essentially making it a quadratic regression based estimation. The fair value per this analysis at around 3.1 cents. That is again where the first initial drop in the bear market of potential bear market of 2026 could take the price action. So that remains to be seen if and when the price action goes there, what it will do. Before that, if there is some euphoria conclusion to the current rally, again that conclusion per this euphoria ceiling is at around 6.5 cents. So that is where again the price action and the current moving averages, if let's say it takes a couple of more months, the 50-week simple moving average could well be around between 6 and 6.5 cents. That again could coincide with the regression based ceiling peaking at that level. So that's some sort of confluence over there. The time weighted average price, again model says that whenever the price is below the blue line like it is now, historically speaking, it has been a great time to DCA into KASPA. But again that has some caveats. Again, KASPA was launched in the bear market year of 2022, so it has witnessed half of a bear market, but not a full bear market. Like it was not around in 2021. So the drawdowns in 2022 were essentially launch related drawdowns. So KASPA had the benefit of being launched at the right time in the bear market. So has had a chart where again as the asset class gotten into the recovery mode, KASPA kind of benefited from that overall asset class, that is the crypto asset class recovery. So the time weighted average price currently standing at around 7.5 cents. If there is one more major peak before 2026 bear market kind of sets in, that could be an area where the price action could eventually go before coming down in 2026 at 7 and 7.5 cents. So in short, again all of these models is between 6.5 to 7.5 and a stretch at around 8 cents. That's where most of these models are pointing to. The 20-week simple moving average risk has gone down to 0.2 at. It's not the lowest risk whenever it goes into this purple region, and again DCing only at that time. If you were to do that, again not the worst idea. Again it does not guarantee that the lows would not be. So over here it wasn't a guarantee that in November that the eventual lows in March wouldn't be lower than October November 2024 lows. But again at least there was one counter trend rally between that and again between the two bottoms, that is first between November 2024 and then again March 2025. Again similar story in November 2025. The risk levels did go to that 0.1 risk, but then there was a pump from that 4 cents level to at almost 6 cents level. With that, I would like to conclude the 6.5 cents to 7.5 cent level for KASPA right now. Looks like if there is a continued bullish uptrend in the asset class for a couple of weeks to let's say 1 month, that could be the glass half full or optimistic case, whereas the non-panic bear market bottom for KASPA initial step is between the current price and 3 cents level. With that, hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.